Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at my monthly favorites. So current favorites at the moment, things, makeup and skincare that I've been loving, and like it could be lifestyle items. If you want to know what my current favorites are this month, then keep on watching. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to Jessica MyRose, our host. She is the host of this collaboration video. You guys have to check out the playlist in the description box below of all the other girls that are involved in this collab. I mean, this is going to be the best of the best because this is our favorites in all of our different niches. So I think you will love them. Let's start with this Jenny bird bracelet. I think this was in my Fabfitfun box a couple of seasons ago and I am loving it. I love that it's two-tone, like silver and gold. This pairs up with any style, any outfit that you like. Even if you're like dressy, I feel like this just gives it that perfect edge. I just love it. Like it works with like a simple t-shirt like I'm wearing now, and it just elevates the look, right? So love that. Next, I have a bag of favorites here, guys. The Black Cherry Merlot from Bath and Body Works. This is the 24-hour Ultra Shea body cream. So Bath and Body Works has a lot of lotions that are actually they have different versions of their lotions and scents, of course, but you can pick whatever scent that you like, but you have to make sure that you buy the Ultra Shea body cream line because that one is long lasting. I love this on my hands. I have like a dry spot here on my hand, and it nourishes that spot longer than any other lotion could. So I really love this line from Bath and Body Works. They always have seasonal sales, guys, and this can be very affordable. Next favorite, you've seen me on Instagram, this brow stamp, and I was looking for it all week. It turns out I had separated it in my favorites bag. Basically, it comes with eyebrow stencils, and then you have the actual stamp. So you would just go like this, and then boop, 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 and then stamp on the color. And what I love about this is that it's actually long lasting. Now, I haven't seen this in any Ulta or Sephora. If you have, please comment it down below. I got this it's basically, I believe, like a brand from China. I got this from the Jade Beauty website. They were on sale for like 2 for $25. So I have one and I have another one for a future giveaway. This is perfect for when you're traveling. It's like quick on the go. I love it. Other one is the OPI Nail Envy Nail Strengthener. So many girls here on YouTube, like Mare from Life with Mare, she has like the longest nails and she's able to trim it any shape she wants and it lasts. Like she puts on nail polish and they last. And for me, they chip and just crack even before it just passes through the skin. So it's sad. So I need a lot of like hair and nail vitamin supplements. I do have that, and I find that when I do take them, it really helps my nail grow. But this is another great one from OPI, a Nail Envy nail strengthener. It's expensive, guys. It's 16 bucks, but it's like food for your nails. Me Time Botanicals is an indie brand. I believe I got this from one of my subscription boxes. It's a nourishing organic lip balm. One of my faves. Definitely nourishing without having that goopy, sticky shine. It's so refreshing on the lips. I love this as like a prep to when I'm applying my lipsticks. So highly, highly recommend this. And I'll try my best to link all of the products in the description box below. All right, this is an oldie but a goodie, Juvia's Place lipstick. Who knew? This is an amazing formula, guys. This is on the pinkier side. But I love this to kind of, when I have a super dark lip and I'm like, whoa, that's not what I was going for, I definitely apply this on my lips and it just gives it that perfect pinky shade. This is in the color Chic. How appropriate. And I love this ombre effect here. The packaging is just on point. It's got the letter J there for Juvia's Place. Love it. This is by Context Beauty. I got this in my Ipsy bag and I love the formula for this. This is such a perfect shade for me, like the perfect nude shade. I just always go back to it, and the formula is just really, really good. So I am loving this a lot, a lot, a lot. Next one, this blending brush by Morphe. There's no name, guys. I feel like this is part of a set, but this blending brush right here is the perfect blending brush for your crease. So it just gets into that crevice right there. So if you want to be precise and you just want to drop the color just at this very edge right here, this is your friend. This is going to be your best friend. I can find the name for it. I will let you know, but just as a reference, like this used to be my crease brush, okay? So that used to be my crease brush, and now it's gotten smaller, and it just fits perfectly around the eyes, and it just gives you that definition to like even cut your crease, like semi-cut your crease. So I love that. Next one, highlighters. Okay, I've got a high-end one for you guys, and I have one from CoverGirl. This is an oldie but a goodie. I hope they haven't discontinued this because this line is amazing. It is Vegan Beauty from CoverGirl, and this is like the perfect highlighter, guys. It has that pinky peach hue. Okay, let me blend it better. But it looks natural, but really blingy. Like you can see it from afar. Let's just try it. And I hope, see? Can you see that? Yes. Can you see? My nose is glowing. Clean Fresh line from CoverGirl. It has that pink and white color packaging. I think you're gonna really love this. The other highlighter, guys, this is in the color Cava. Cava? And this is by Merit. If you guys know, I did a collab with Merit. I did a campaign with them, and they sent me over $200 worth of products. Thank you, Merit. They're right there. They sent me this highlighter, and it's amazing. Okay, let's just add to it. It's the perfect day glow. It just gives you that kind of dewy, just healthy look without being oily looking. I just can't explain it. When I wear this highlighter, it's like beauty within kind of thing. It just elevates the look. It looks so beautiful on. It's not like super bright in your face, but it's there. So I love it. Next one for skincare, guys. I have the Tatcha Silk Cream. All right, so as you know, I did a Tatcha Fukubukuru mystery bag back in January, and luckily I got to sample this. It was in my mystery box, and this silk cream, guys, is the way to go. It's the perfect in between. Tatcha has 3 lines of skincare: the purple one, the white one, and the blue one. The purple one is for like extremely, extremely dry skin. This one is for like the in-between one. And I feel like this is perfect for me. I will have to get the full-size bottle of this, if anything. I can't. I have to have it. It's amazing, guys. Next one is the Sephora Best Skin Ever. Yes, if you are looking for an affordable foundation and liquid foundation, this is it. This also has anti-pollution ingredients, which means it's gonna keep your face safe from environmental damage. So I love the natural finish of this. I've been reviewing all year last year, like foundation reviews, and I might bring it back this year, or maybe I'll go to like concealers. What do you guys think about that idea? Let me know in the comments below. So if you want to know more about this Best Skin Ever, I'll link the foundation video or put it here somewhere or on this side. But lately I've been using this a lot. I've been really loving it. It's not heavy. It's just great natural finish on the skin. Perfect for like daily, everyday wear. And it's not super expensive, right? And then of course, my baby, the Natasha Denona palette. The one and only palette that I have. It's my baby girl, aside from my true baby girl. My kind of colors. I got this in my Beautylish Fukubukuru or Lucky Bag. This screams Terry's Corner. Like, this is all of the colors I could want. It has all the pinks, and you know, it has a good amount of matte shades. I think it can be a neutral palette, an everyday palette. It's not like super bright, right? So highly, highly recommend this. This is by Cosmetics, and this is the cheaper version of like the Nurse Jamie, I believe that's the brand, facial massager. And Yes, you just roll it, and it's not just for your face. Like, it has instructions. When I have a headache, I feel like it's soothing. And also, if you have creases from makeup, like, hello, just use this and it'll take away that crease. It helps with blood circulation, and also you can do it on your décolleté right here. And oh, my sore spot, my back. I think the beads are super cooling, and that's what's giving it relief. I was like, where have you been? I haven't seen this all winter long. And it just kind of peeked through my skincare drawer, and I was like, oh, where have you been? So that is all of my makeup favorites. I think you guys are gonna love all of my suggestions. I think anyone and everyone can relate to this. Comment down below what your favorite item is. Have you tried any of these items? And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, I have a giveaway right now. It's a collaboration giveaway. It's international. So pretty much everyone can enter. Check out this post on my Instagram page to find out how to enter. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.